Meet the Goalker H3 Pro. This hands-free smart hardcore lawnmower delivers precision edge trimming, centimeter-level RTK plus VSLAM navigation, obstacle avoidance, slope climbing, and fully automated lawn care. With AI night mowing, waterproof durability, GPS anti-theft, and smart app controls, it provides effortless 24/7 lawn maintenance with professional results in any environment. Designed for modern homeowners seeking smarter, quieter, safer, and more efficient lawn care with minimal effort and maximum cutting performance daily.
I want to go over some of the features of this robot. On top, you got your control panel. It's also got a dial and your control buttons. You also got a rain sensor up top. You also got your extra large stop button. Up front, you got your dual assisted AI cameras. You also got a collision bumper. On the side, you got your drive wheels. And look at the thread on those things. Provides great traction. And you got your side cameras on both sides. On the bottom, you got your retractable blade module. It goes up and down to get your desired height. Also, you got your wheel up front, and you got a lock button.
The edge-cutting design is what truly sets this mower apart, and this is how the edge-cutting function is triggered to get those close cuts. The offset blade design allows for precise cuts up to 1 centimeter from the edge, ensuring complete coverage. It features precise and intelligent, comprehensive VSLAM plus RTK complementarity. Currently, the golden combination solution for high-end intelligent lawnmower robots to achieve full scene coverage and centimeter-level accuracy. After completing the work in the map setting, the edges will be cut again along the outer perimeter. You can also adjust the mowing height, adjustable from 25 to 65 millimeters.
Installation for this robot is pretty simple. You will be up and mowing your grass in no time. First, you want to start out by installing the charging base to the ground. You can stake it to the ground with the included stakes. Next, you want to install the antenna, and I had to move it around a few times to figure out the best spot for the signal. Then you just plug everything in and you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you're going to want to download their app, and it's pretty straightforward. All you got to do is follow the steps on the screen. You want to make sure all 4 lights are green. So once you get everything set up and connected, then you're ready to start mapping out your yard. It's pretty straightforward. You just map it out using your app. And also you can include no cut zones if you have areas where you don't want to cut. You can also set up multiple cut zones and set up an automatic schedule. So this is what my yard looks like before mowing. It's pretty high. We're gonna put this thing to the test.
It features precise and intelligent, comprehensive VSLAM plus RTK complementarity. Currently, the golden combination solution for high-end intelligent lawnmower robots to achieve full scene coverage and centimeter-level accuracy. If it runs out of charge or detects rain, it will automatically go back to the charging station, in charge, then finish the cut. It also features AI night cutting mode and will cut your grass at night. It can identify 200+ obstacles and provide proactive hazard defense. It is also capable of handling 45% sloping ground.
And this is what it looks like when it's all finished. Did a pretty good job. I highly recommend you check this mower out. It makes cutting your grass a breeze. Check it out. It will be linked down below.